baked chicken. For my birthday, as a present, my parents gave me help with the van. So it was a gift card for food and material and just help with building the van. So now we're using that. Flygplan över.
Filmar du fejlandet här? Det ska vara det hållet.
Funkar det nu? Okej.
Så länge man inte rör för mycket.
Fan vad det ser fult ut.
Ja, verkligen. Kul.
Funkar det?
Japp.
Yay.
Mimmi. Vi behöver vinkeljärn och koppsord. Sängen hamnar med.
Det är bra ändå.
Vinkeljärna vid 8 skit bara. Sen kan vi väl dra en skruv rätt igenom också om vi vill.
This is where the new bed is gonna be. Verkligen vara här inne. Alma, kom. Alma, inte så. Men Andrej, har du tagit någon mat? Men Alma, vad fan?
Men alltså kom någon till mig ändå.
Ja, jag ska ta ut henne. Men nej.
Det är inte en leksak.
I was lucky enough to have my brother here today, and he's really good at this stuff, so he just took over, and my bonus dad too. And my mom is always cooking food, so she has food ready for us, and yeah. So now they are making the bed construction, and we're gonna help out, of course. But we are making a sofa that converts to a bed, a pull-out bed. So this is the sofa construction. Vad fint det blir, älskling.
Ja, heja.
So this mattress is from my old bed, but as you can see it's really short, as like me. So we need a longer bed. So this is a full length, full size mattress that's gonna be used for our new bed. This was Alma's seat in the passenger seat next to me in my first van. This was the construction for my last bed. I had the bed crosswise, and then I had also this sofa with a pull-out part for the bed. The first part of the bed is done. Now we just need the pull-out part to make the full bed. Nice. We are trying to find more of the planks, the wood for the bed frame, because we need more for the pull-out part. So now I put a post on Facebook and try to find someone who's selling or giving away an old bed with the bed frame with the parts that we need. So hopefully we can get one soon, so we can finish the bed. Almost done. So now we're gonna eat some snacks before we go home. I think. Oh, food. Now we're gonna eat some food before we go home. My mom made food. For me, she made vegetarian food. Fake chicken. It looks like chicken, it tastes like chicken. It's not chicken.
Vad är det då?
Fake chicken.
Nice.
Jag känner det fan nu. Hon är som en ko typ. Kotunga. Thank you. Är du taggad?
Såklart.
Vi går in och sitter här och säger hejdå. Our new sofa. It's gonna be perfect. The reason why we have the sofa this wide is because, first of all, because the wall is tilted like this, so it's not comfortable to sit. We have to have the back rest like this. And also because when we make the bed in the morning, we can put our covers and the sheets behind behind the back. So when we make the bed in the morning, we can put the sheets and the covers here behind, so we can sit comfortably. So the only thing we have left on the bed is the pull-out part to make the whole bed. Oh, and of course the mattress, but we already have that. We just need to cut the mattress into the right size. And then we are done with the bed. So now this first part of the bed slash sofa is done, and I didn't screw even one screw today. So I'm really thankful for all the help. So thanks to my brother Christian and my bonus dad Ola. Good.